What's up guys, Shawn Connors here with Vanguard Realty Alliance, and we're at our newest listing at 5816 Wertztown Road in Narvon, PA. And this home is absolutely beautiful. It's a 4-bed, 1-bath, bi-level home that was fully renovated from top to bottom. So we have a brand new metal roof, new kitchen, new windows, all new flooring, and it's absolutely stunning. So we have to go and take a look right now. Thank you so much for taking the time out to tour this beautiful property with me. If you want to set up your private showing, text me at 267-808-0574. I look forward to hearing from you, and have an awesome day, guys. Take care.